Hi friends, welcome to Art with Soto. Today we're gonna learn how to make human figure sculptures out of a piece of aluminum foil. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. What we're gonna need is just a piece of aluminum, a Sharpie or a pen, and that's it, and some scissors. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do, I have a Sharpie. I'm gonna divide the top here into three. You see that? Kind of evenly dividing it into three. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna go not all the way to the half, but a little bit, just like a third of the way down. Then I'm going to divide the bottom part into two. Now, if I don't have a Sharpie, I could just use a pen, and that's gonna make a mark too. You see the mark? Okay. And I'm gonna leave a little area with nothing right here. Then I'm going to cut those lines. I'm gonna make this line with a Sharpie so you can see it better. So 1, 2, 3 parts, and then here 2 parts. Now I'm gonna cut with a with my scissors. And I'm gonna cut the bottom. Now we can already see that this is going to be the head. These are going to be the arms. And these are going to be the legs. The hard part for this is to figure out how we are going to start molding them into a sculpture without breaking them. Foil is very delicate, so it can be broken very easy. What I like to do is start little piece by little piece like this. You see? The arms, if I squish them too hard, I can't get them back. So, and then I start squishing on the body. This is the head. So I don't want to squish it too hard. I want it to have a little bit of volume and not just be, you see, it's already taking the shape of a person. If I start squishing the legs gently, then you can start seeing how it's turning into a human. Now I start squeezing a little bit more here. I could lower the arm. I could lower the other arm. Keep squishing a little bit. It is a sculpture we're making. Oh, it tore here. See? It ripped. You see this rip? It doesn't matter because we could join it back together like that. I'm gonna squeeze here to get my neck. Squeezing around to get a head. And I'm gonna keep squishing gently until you are satisfied with the person you created. Now, the tighter you keep squeezing slowly, the more stable it's gonna be. There we go. It's already a person. You could see it. It's a human. You could bend its arms. You could bend the legs. You could model it. Or you can keep squeezing it a little bit more and more and more, and then make it kind of like a skeleton, like a human skeleton. I'm gonna keep squeezing a little bit more. Uh-oh, you squished the head too much, but you know what? It's okay. Now you can model it and pose it however you want. I even have a little piece of something. It can sit. There you go. Goodbye. Hope you create a lot of beautiful sculptures.